What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with a happy Thanksgiving special, man. And I hope all of you guys are doing something other than trading out there, spending time with your family, your friends, or doing something that you enjoy. Now, look, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. I need you guys all to come along with us in the journey. Check the description tab. All sorts of tools and tidbits to make you a more successful trader are located right there. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. Hey, Traders War Room wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You are responsible for every decision you make. Have fun, be cautious, but always, always go to war. This is Terrence the War Turkey, and man, he is ready to go to battle just like each one of us. So this special video is going to give you guys an understanding of stocks and Thanksgiving and the correlation between the two. All right, so how Thanksgiving and Black Friday affects stocks. We're also going to add in their Cyber Mondays as well, because that has become a huge holiday in on itself and a huge time frame for retail stocks and companies in preparation of the Christmas season. So I'm not going to insult you guys' intelligence. I'm sure that you guys know what Black Friday is. It's the day after Thanksgiving. And what it is it's a huge retail day shopping in the United States that kind of opens up the holiday season and the retail season of buying and spending goods, especially in the retail sector. So you have to understand Black Friday that retails offer special incentives on this particular day to draw attention and volume. So basically, you'll have a lot of these popular items that are for sale, and a lot of retailers will discount them, expect huge volumes of numbers to come in, and then make money off of additional items while they're in the store during this holiday season in preparation of the spending building up to the Christmas season. I don't know if you've ever seen it or gone out on Black Friday, man, but I've done it before in the past, and it gets nuts, okay? People are camped out, man. People rush the doors when the doors open. People, are like stampeding in there, man, and it gets nuts. And there's been a lot of catastrophes that have happened in the United States and over in other parts of the world on this particular day because of the shoppers and the volume of personnel and people trying to get the deal on certain popular items. Like I remember back in the day when the PS3 came out, man, they launched the PS3 on Black Friday, and I was working at Target, and Target got ran down. We actually had to shut the store down, get the police involved, and get people out the store because it was just going nuts. And to put it in perspective on how big this particular day is spending to retail companies, sometimes they have special subsections of their organization that dedicate an entire year to planning up onto the Black Friday sales and things of that nature. And then give you a little bit further, having previously worked at Target through Black Friday before, we had a week prior planning security features and barriers and things of that nature. So I'm telling you, it gets nuts. Tons of volume, tons of money flowing. It is a big spending cash cow day here, especially in the United States, but all over the world, in fact. Now, Cyber Monday gets crazy too, man, and this is primarily a big online shopping thing, but you can start seeing Cyber Mondays and things of that nature, deals on the build up into November and Thanksgiving and things of that nature. However, Cyber Mondays, the Monday after Thanksgiving, is typically the day that most of these companies decide to pull out all the stops and have the big bargain on the online shopping. And you can see just right here, while Black Friday still remains typically the biggest shopping day of the year, especially in the United States, online sales boom on Cyber Mondays because of all these big, huge deals that they're cutting. And especially it started gaining real popularity during the pandemic, where everyone started understanding online shopping and having to rely on online shopping. So this year, man, it's just I think gonna be nuts because we're already used to it. It's already something going on. And I just got a feeling that it's gonna be absolutely crazy, as well as normal Black Friday is going to be crazy because people have been cooped up forever. Everyone's vaccinated. They want to get out there. They want to go back to normal and things of that nature. So it should be interesting to watch this unfold over this weekend. And you see right here, this was originated in the United States, but it has taken storm all across the world, man. And, you know, like America does great, man. We think up the ideas that are great, and then it spreads like wildfires across the world. You know, think of the internet, think of, you know, cell phones, think of this, think of that, man. All that stuff, the good idea fairies over here in the United States, we push this, we influence, and then it just flies through all over the world, and it just becomes an exploding event. And these were the retailers that hit the highs in 2020. And we're going to go over these charts so we can take a look at them. But look at that. You got Amazon going crazy, right? Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Apple, Instacart. They're not a public company, so we can't look at their chart. eBay, Home Depot, Etsy, and Costco. So we're going to check out all those charts, and we're going to see what we can rock out over this weekend and do some DD, and also see what happens over the next week with these particular tickers. All right, kicking off right now, we got Amazon, man. And Amazon is king. It has definitely been on an uptrend, hit a high of 37.62, definitely cooled down a little bit and it closed down below a support level. But I got highlighted in orange a lot of areas, but I think you guys need to pay attention to this 36.18 area and this 35.48 area. That's the area, man. If we can get above that 36.18 area and we can close above that and hold that strong, I think it's onward and upward from there. So bullish on Amazon through the holiday season. Walmart, man, I'm loving me some Walmart right now. We got 3 white soldiers coming up, closing out the week and going into tomorrow. I like this moving forward. I think Walmart's bullish. I want to go with Walmart all day long, every day, and Walmart's just going to kill it through the holidays. You already know. Now, Target's definitely on a little decline currently right now. They had some issues with some supply issues, came out formally saying that they're going to keep prices down low so that they can continue to have merchandise at, you know, availability at a decent price and things of that nature, and it would cut into kind of some supply bottleneck, things of that nature. So you saw definitely a little down trick. As you see right there, it gapped down a little bit. It's kind of on a downward trend, consolidating sort of at a current level. I like this to consolidate a little bit longer, so I think it's going to trickle up between these areas, this 252 and this 244 for a while before eventually making a decision whether it's going to break up or it's going to break down from there. So I'm neutral on Target at this time. I wouldn't recommend getting into this trade this week. Best Buy, man. Best Buy is killing it. Man, it's been killing it. Definitely gapped down a little bit, but that was off of some negative PR move. But, man, Best Buy is going to kill it, dude. They got tons of sales, and Best Buy is one of the huge hubs for electronics, especially through the holidays. So I do like Best Buy down at this level. We ended up getting a call option, and we're going to ride this one out this week and into next week and see what we can make from this. But from this level where it's at currently, I see no issues why Best Buy doesn't go up from here. Apple, man, Apple went on a tear, and as you see right now, it's consolidating. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit of pullback from this current level and it starts consolidating for, you know, a few weeks to a month at this level. But definitely people are going to be buying Apple products. Apple's going to be putting things out. People are going to buy it, man. Apple is just a monster juggernaut beast, and especially if they get with this EV car and this chip maker and things of that nature, Apple's just going to continue to skyward up. So recommendation on Apple for this week is to go long on contracts or buy in dollar cost averaging into shares. eBay currently looks like it's on a downward trend. eBay didn't really trend over too well with some of the other companies that were doing that. You know, Amazon started taking a lot of their profits with their online and going. Walmart has a robust online avenue. Target's starting to come around on that online avenue. So eBay's kind of stuck there as the old person in this new person's world and stuff like that. Even with PayPal underneath the eBay kind of umbrella back in the day, they just haven't gotten with the program. So I'm definitely bearish on eBay. I think that eventually we're going to start testing the 69.39 area and go back to a low. And if we can hold that, then sure, it'll bounce up. But I'm definitely bearish on eBay moving forward. So I think calls would not be recommended, while as puts a little further out, maybe a week or two, would definitely be in the zone. Home Depot, man, I like Home Depot, and definitely you can see a pattern with Home Depot. Consolidation, uptick, consolidation, uptick. I think we're at the consolidation period here before next uptick. So on Home Depot, definitely watching it. Might be good to hop in and out for day trades and stuff like that. But if you're looking for long position or long swings, then definitely you need to catch the on the dips for shares to get your dollar cost average and start your positions for long holds. But you would need to look out 2 weeks to a month, even longer, maybe even 6 months on some contracts with Home Depot, in my opinion. Etsy, another one I like, man. Etsy's been doing its thing, okay? You see some consolidation, some patterns, and then it breaks the pattern and rides up, consolidates a little bit, breaks the pattern, rides up. We're in that consolidation phase again, but I like Etsy to consolidate just for a little bit. So I'm thinking maybe like ending this week into next week and then the previous week. So we're looking into December contracts for this particular ticker on the bullish side and the call side. So I'm bullish on Etsy, but we need to look 2 to 3 weeks out with our particular contracts or dollar cost average in on dips and make sure we start a position in this for long on shares. And Costco, man. Costco's been a monster trade as well. And you can see what it does. It consolidates, it rises up, consolidates for a little bit, rises up. Its consolidation period doesn't last long. And I think we're still in the same thing. So definitely bullish on Costco. I think it'll consolidate, maybe even pull back a little bit. We might start testing that 540 and even possibly going towards that 528 area before an eventual uptick goes on. And as long as the market holds and everyone's still spending money and buying things of that nature, Costco is one of those that you can rest assured is going to continue to go up, up, and up. And here's our alerts, man. I'm going to blow it up a little bit so you can see what we've been getting in or what we're swinging so that you can check it out. But definitely, we're looking to sell a lot of these tomorrow, and hopefully that we got a bullish as hell market at the bell and we can get out on top on some of these ones. A couple of these we're a little nervous about because they definitely were kind of the lotto or high risk type of trades, and they definitely didn't perform as well as we thought they were going to closing in on the week. So we have to watch these. We got to be able to strike hard, strike fast, and make our money. And in some cases, potentially make back a little bit of money, not quite as much as we put in, but hedging our potential loss as we're looking and watching these stocks over this next week and closing out on Friday tomorrow. So you see right here, we're in some of these risky plays, and a lot of these we trimmed off of and made a killing. Apple absolutely destroyed it, man. We got in and out on one of our Foot Locker plays. Wells Fargo was a good one, XOM was a good one, and WBA, but we're swinging quite a few trades. We got Best Buy going in. We got a put on Facebook, AEO. We're looking at GM, trying to catch that one. BABA, definitely disappointment. We got some long trades. If long is kind of your style, MVST, VG, and TM, those are long trades we're holding for a while. DraftKings, definitely a disappointment, man. DraftKings even popped. We were able to trim a little bit, but it has come down significantly. PLTR is not doing anything in our particular thing. We're hoping for a jump. Snap, again, always has a little potential. It's like it wants to jump and break that level, but it's being held down. So definitely got a lot we're going to pay attention to on Friday, and we got a few that we're swinging into next week and even a little bit longer than that. All right, team, and that's a video, man. A little different video than we normally do because it wasn't just stock generated, man. I wanted to give you a little history lesson, a little understanding, man. Part of the lesson with understanding the stock market is knowing where the money's at, where the money's rotating, things of that nature. So Black Friday is huge. Cyber Monday is huge. We need to understand this is the opening season to the holiday season where a lot of money is going to be flowing. So we got to pay attention to that. Now listen, here at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sectors are our battles, man. We do this together as a team. Attack, conquer, and destroy. I want you guys to know, come to the server and check us out, man. We got free and paid services. Man, we do options, stocks, futures, crypto, forex. We got live trading going on, and we just kicked off our Zoom classes with our first class, option basics. Our next one's income generating using covered calls, man. We got a lot going on, and I want you guys to come with us on the team and join this particular journey. Now, if that sounds good, then all I got to say to you is follow me. Let's go to war.